Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to Untitled Chapter viewers. In this video, I've got a quick unboxing for the Awair 2nd Gen Smart Indoor Air Monitor. So this is the box. It's pretty big. I'll go over it in just a second, but it doesn't really fit in the frame here. But here's the side. So we got fine dust particles, chemicals, CO2, temperature, and humidity. You can track all of this. On the back here, you guys can see more of what it captures, system requirements. This works with iPhone or Android. These are the sensors, the sound output. On this side here, at a glance, you can see your air quality score, personalized recommendations to improve air quality, and then breathe easy. It says Awair helps you track how you are improving over time. Awair also works with other smart devices to automatically keep your air clean and healthy. So this is pretty cool. We're going to give it a shot here at the studio. We're going to give it an unboxing right now, and then we will see how it does. We're going to set it up for about a week here and just see how it does. Pull this off. There we go. All right, so let's check out the unboxing experience. This goes for about $200, I think. Currently, I want to thank them for sending this out free for review. So I'm going to, I guess, slide it right off. Appears that is how you open this. Very premium unboxing experience. There we go. So I'm going to open up this box now. Box inside of a sleeve. We're immediately presented with the item itself. So it says breathe easy. I want to go ahead and take this off, and we can see the awesomeness that is within. So this is what it looks like. This looks really cool. I really like the wood grain on the outside. I'm gonna set this aside here just a second. See the invisible. So let's pull this box out, and I guess there's nothing else in here. Let's open this up and see what we've got. So in here we've got instructions, a quick start guide, all very good. So I'm going to set those on the top, and then down here, got a little charging plug here. Now at the very bottom, it does say that you must use this charging brick. It won't work with other ones, so I will make sure to keep that here. And over here, it looks like we've got a USB cable, so that is nice to have as well. So taking a quick look around the device, this is the back. I'm covering up the serial number and stuff, but this is what that looks like. And along the sides, it is wood, and then on the front here, you've got this really nice white finish. Feels really good, and this, of course, is going to be gathering all of the information about the air around you. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna set this up for, like I said, about a week or two, and then I'm going to kind of gather the results, see how well it actually performs, and then I will do a review video. So be looking out for that in the next week or two, maybe 3, depending on how much data this thing collects and how quickly. So I'm gonna set it back in the box here and just look at this one more time so you guys can see this is kind of what it's gonna look like once I get it going. So I'm very excited to see this in use, and we'll see how accurate it really is. So that's all I got for this unboxing video, guys. If you wanna check these out, again, links down below in the description, and I will see you guys in the next one. Thumbs up, subscribe, peace.